Hi guys, my name is Parul and welcome to my channel A Happier Me. Today I will be sharing my 10 habits for a clean and tidy home. Sometimes my friends come over and they compliment that my house is very neat and tidy and they wonder why. So today I will share my secrets. Well, there are no shortcuts to maintaining a clean house and we do have to constantly work towards achieving the results we want, but there are certain things that we can do that will help us maintain the house that we want. Okay, enough about the intro. Without any further delay, let's start. My number one habit is to make some chores or your habits that you will do no matter what. Make them non-negotiable. For me, there are a couple of things that I have done to make my house look neat on most days. My first habit is that I clean my kitchen before I go to bed. This is a non-negotiable. I will do it every single time, even if I'm tired or if I'm not very motivated towards doing it. I live in LA where having a cleaner or house help on a daily basis is not practical and it's not that easy to find. In fact, this one habit caused a ripple effect and it has made me a tidier person. So this is something I do every single day. Next habit is another non-negotiable for me, and it is that I make my bed every single day when I wake up. It only takes about a minute, but if you make this a habit, it will change the entire look of your bedroom. My husband leaves for work earlier, and so he is usually awake before I get up. So I do it first thing in the morning. So right after I wake up, I make sure to make the bed neatly, and this way it stays like that throughout the day. If in your family you can make your bed right after waking up, definitely do it in the morning itself so that your bed doesn't stay messy throughout the day. My next habit is that keeps my house relatively clean is that I try not to leave any room empty-handed. Whenever I'm going from one room to another, I would quickly scan the room and pick up things that don't belong there and try to put the things back where they need to go, because this way I don't have to make an extra trip. My house is on 2 levels, so it becomes even more important for me. All our bedrooms are upstairs, so while coming down, I will pick something, whether it's a laundry basket or the water bottle that I had for the previous night by my bedside table. Whatever it is, I try to pick things up while going up or down. So just do a quick scan and collect the items that don't belong in that specific location, pick them up and then put it away. My next habit is relating to the reduction of the visual clutter. So always keep a basket in each room. Even an ottoman or a clothes storage will work. So you can drop items in it if you are in a hurry to clean up, but make sure to empty that basket later in the day when you have more time. I still have the cold. I have been having it for almost a week now, so my voice isn't that great, and please bear with me. I was hoping that it would get better, but whatever, I still had to record it. It's been more than 7 days since I last uploaded on this channel. Anyway, if it's an open basket, you can just put a nice throw on top of it to hide the things. Let's be real here. It is impossible to keep all your rooms pristine, clean and tidy at all times. We have lives, we have kids, and it's perfectly normal for us to have scattered, things here and there, especially with families with little kids. So we would like to always keep things back to where they need to go, but sometimes we are in a rush. We cook and we have other chores to attend to, and cleaning doesn't always come as a first priority. And if you have girls, like little girls, you know how much they enjoy arts and crafts. So I have that problem all the time that I have a lot of stuff from my kids, like the stuff that they bring from school, their arts and crafts and some devices that they use there, like here and there. So I make sure to pick them and put it wherever they need to go. And then we are constantly bringing in stuff because now online shopping is making it even more easier. I always have some Amazon box right outside my door because it's so much easy now to just click and get anything delivered to you. So having a closed storage in each room really helped me conceal it for the time being. So even if you don't have a furniture with storage and you don't want to spend too much money replacing your existing coffee table or buying a new storage unit, just buy a $15-20 decorative basket and put it in each room. This will make a huge difference when you are tidying up, in a hurry. Just put a throw on top of it and it will be concealed. My next habit that has really helped me is the shift in mindset. If it takes less than a minute to do something, I would do it right away rather than having that thought disturb me throughout the day. Because this way I won't have 10 different things to tackle at the end of the day. I feel there is a double advantage to this. When we are working on our laptops all day, by doing a 1-minute task in our house, we get that required break from the constant screen and for sitting long hours. When we get our bodies to move and stretch, it's good for our body overall and of course for our mind because we are on top of things and we have less to worry about at the end of the day. And this way the things will not start accumulating. So try this habit. My next habit that I have seen in many Indian households also is that I have a no shoe policy inside the house. Among many Asian families, this is very common. I keep a house slipper for me to be used solely inside my house, and as soon as I come inside, I put my shoes in a shoe rack in my garage, or you can just make wherever your shoe rack is, just put your outside shoes over there and change into your home slippers. You can even do this for your guests, like have some extra slippers for them when they come in during winter months especially. I've seen some people even putting a sign outside their door which says, "Please don't bring shoes inside as we have little kids." By the way, if you are finding this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss on any future videos. I do have another channel which is totally dedicated to money management and economy. It has tons of useful information as well. Thank you. Let's get back to the video. The sixth habit that has helped me, that I take care of incoming papers right away, because if I don't, they become the biggest sources of clutter. I have had this problem for many years, whether it was papers from my kids' school or some flyers or whatever. They would just start accumulating on any flat surface, whether it's my kitchen counter or any table. So now, as soon as I empty my mailbox, I make sure to go through it. Whatever needs to be filed, I would file it. So this is the organizer that I have for organizing all my important documents. It is lightweight and easy to carry. And if there's any sensitive information that I don't want to keep and I want to shred it, I would just use my shredder, or sometimes I would just tear it into small pieces and throw it half in the recycling and half in my trash can. So of course you can use a shredder for that. So whatever works for you. Also nowadays, whenever possible, I have opted for paperless option, so they don't clutter my mailbox. You can also check through your postal office and find if there's a way for you to get rid of the marketing flyers that you don't like. Like here in the US, the USPS website says anyone who wants to reduce the amount of prospect marketing mail they receive may register for the mail suppression service called DMA Choice. To remove your name from common mailing list, you may register along with a nominal processing fee. So when you click on this link, this is what you need to do. The next habit is that I have a patio space and I have trees all over. So to keep my patio clean, I like to use this blower. It quickly cleans my patio and I don't have to use a broom or a vacuum. It would remove the dust, it will take care of the dried leaves, and the patio is clean in few seconds. I also wash my patio with a hose on the jet setting. If you have cushions or outdoor seating, make sure to clean them once a month. This one is a no-brainer, but I think I would mention it. Always invite people over. When you invite your friend, this will put your brain in active cleaning mode, and you will prioritize cleaning and do it fast under the deadline. Because even if we are not, naturally clean people, we want to come across as tidier people. Even better is have your friends come for a family dinner once a month at your house, so that you can even deep clean the neglected areas of your house. So this is such an effective way of maintaining a clean and tidy house. My next tip is to involve your kids in doing some chores, around the house, and you can pay them for that. And this way they can start earning. I have a chores tracker with money listed for each task for my two kids. They are in two different age groups. You can use it and edit it based on your house needs. Just send me a request and I will grant you the access. I think this is a great way of teaching the kids responsibility. So you need to name it a family contribution list, not a chores list, okay? This is very important. You have to tell them that you're contributing towards the family and you're not just doing a chore. Also, when your kids are earning, encourage your kids to spend some money, but also save a part of it. You can open a custodial account and have them invest that money. Oh my god, I can't stay away from talking about finances, so please check out my other channel. It is listed in the description below, and also you can find it on my homepage of this channel towards the end. My next tip is to hire a professional cleaner if your job is very demanding, and even with all the help and the habits that I have listed, you're still struggling to maintain a clean house. I have a cleaner who comes once a month, or sometimes I call her every 2 weeks. She cleans my windows, under my bed, behind my sofas, on top of my fridge, and my kitchen hood, bathtubs, etc. Things that I don't like to clean that often, so it really helps. So having a professional come once a month or twice a month will save you a lot of time. It will also reduce the tension in your mind, and your house will be more peaceful, because you and your husband are not going to fight about that you should be doing this or you should be doing that. So these are all the tips that I have for you, and I hope you could find value in this video. And if you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.